Hey, what's up guys? On this one I'm going to show you a new way you can do it to make some money with Luno. So in order for you to do this, you just only come in on Luno, and then you see the wallets down here at the bottom. As you can see here, you just come click onto it. Once you click onto it, it's going to show you this here. There is a stake portion right here, which you can just come and click onto it. And then it's gonna give you some option of some ETH. So which coin do you want to earn with? So it's only Ethereum for now. What you can do, if you have some Ethereum on your wallet, the only thing you have to do is just come and click onto it here, and then you're going to have to read all of this, and then you get to understand it, and then you're just going to go into next. And once you read that one, and then you're gonna actually see this one as well, and then you're gonna read all of this. There's some annual payout percentage, there's a payout interval every 5 days, an estimated first payout within 45 days, payout destination, and estimated unstaked. As you can actually see, guys, so this is very interesting, all of these. So you can actually see you can make a lot here. So you can actually go on to next after you have read all of that. So the only thing you have to do now, you just have to buy some ETH. If you already have some ETH, that's very good for you. You're just going to go straight onto this one, and then you go on and go on, and then you just get to stake onto this. So make sure you subscribe, guys, so that I can actually show you when I'm actually doing this for you, so that you can actually see where this is actually going to take us, guys. So I'm actually going to do this live for you, so you can actually see how I'm doing, and then you can actually see from when it's going to grow that money, from when and to when it's going to be very nice, guys. Make sure you don't miss the next videos by making sure you subscribe and you hit that like button. So thanks, guys, for watching, and then I will see you on the next one, on the real video. Sharp.